This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. To start, you will need to launch Settings and then go for the Accounts and Sync or Accounts and Backup category. In here, open the Manage Accounts page and make sure to remove all the Google accounts that you have added or linked to your system if you have any to begin with. Once there is no Google accounts over here, and well, no Google accounts respectively added to the system or linked, you can open the main settings or start in settings page again and enter the Google category this time. Then tap at the, so my settings app shut down, whatever. So enter the Google category, then tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you will need to sign into the Google account that you will be using at the child's end, or rather the child's Google account. It kinda goes without saying, but the child has to not know the password to it, since if they do, they will be able to easily bypass the parental controls by themselves without having to grant any parental authorization or permission. So log into the child's Google account. Start by entering the email address, then follow it by typing in the password. Just proceed with this login as you would normally do with any other Google sign-in. Then, once the login is completed, just select the Google account from the list over here. And now we will need to enter another Google account credentials, but this time belonging to you as a parent, or to put it in other words, sign into Google account that we will be using to supervise the child's activity. So, well, you know the drill. Start by entering the email address, then follow it by entering the password. Already. Now at the About Supervision page, you will need to scroll it all the way down and type in the Google account password to the child's account once again. Then at the pop-up window over here, tap at the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked together. Then proceed. The Manage Child's App step we can skip for now, as well as the following step that will suggest us to do something about content and age filters, since there is no need in doing that right now, because later on we will be able to set those features up better and more convenient, and currently I would assume that we are more focused on finishing the setup of the parental controls function overall as soon as possible. So from here, if the device that is highlighted in a bold font over here is the phone or tablet that you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and get the needed app, that is Google Family Link, automatically downloaded and installed on your phone, or you can simply skip the step and do that manually as well. It's not hard at all. So everything at the child's end is more or less set. Now take your parental device, open the Play Store and download the Family Link app. Here it is. So let's wait for it to get installed then. Ready? Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. The only important step over here is to make sure that you are signing into the app with the parental Google account that we have earlier logged into during the setup of the parental controls at the child's phone. well, now we'll should get a good minute for this phone to launch the very hard and performance demanding app that is Google Family Link. So, well, let me relaunch it and see if that will fix the issue. Or perhaps we'll just need to wait for a little longer than previously. Okay, so the application absolutely rejects the launch request and does not want to be opened for some reason. Well, that's an interesting case. Doesn't even show me the app logo. Usually, even if the Google Family Link app stucks somehow or gets glitched or freezes, it will at least show you the app logo during that. But okay, I'll guess I'll just have to restart the device. I guess there is nothing that the old and trusty reboot can't fix. So let's try that. Alrighty, so the phone, the system were successfully restarted. Let's see if we will now be able to launch the Google Family Link app. I really hope we will be able to do that. Already, finally. Now you will need to, as I've already mentioned, but well, I guess since we had such a long problem with launching the app, you might have forgotten. So make sure to log into the Family Link with the Parental Google account, and inside the app you have all kinds of controls and all kinds of well, power over your child's usage experience. So well, now we'll need to wait for the app to load one more time. Well, what can you do? Okay, that does not seem promising. So, alrighty. So as I was saying, there are quite a lot of controls that are available to you. So for example, you can set up the daily usage limits, downtime routine, manage your child's app experience, apply content and age filters and restrictions. You can also configure the child's Google account settings, as well as manage devices if you have multiple supervisees. Then you can monitor your child's live location and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be finally it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.